everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to export your song or podcast or project on iMovie as an mp3 file. Now usually what you do is you head over to File and click on Save As, but it doesn't exactly save your song or podcast as an mp3 file. It just saves it as a Garageband project. You won't be able to open this project on your PC or any other device. So the solution to this problem is heading over to Share, Export Song to Disk, and there it is. You can export the song in its highest quality or high quality. You can change the song's name and it automatically saves the song to any folder you want, and you can just export the song. It will be saved as an mp3 file.